Okay. Well, now, people aren't the only ones who should eat healthy meals. That's why Pet Food Gone Wild offers the most natural, holistic, and organic pet food and treats available. And tomorrow, Pet Food Gone Wild is celebrating 2 years in business, and you are invited to the party.
Pet Food Gone Wild is celebrating their 2-year anniversary this year, and we'll be hosting it over at Haynes Park, along with collaborating with the City of Rio Rancho's Park District with the Pooch Plunge. We wanted to give back our community in a way where we wanted to be able to bring in a fun-filled day of fun things to do with the family, and also have adoption events and definitely a fundraiser for all the rescue groups that will be in attendance that day. The Pooch Plunge is actually, the City of Rio Rancho's Park District opens up the pool for all the dogs to come in for a fee. And basically you can come on and bring your dog and bring it in for a plunge. And what's going to be going on that day is we're going to have a fun-filled day of music, food. Some of the bands that will be playing is Just Lazarus, Atomic Bomb, Chuck Holly Band, and many, many other more. So there's going to be a lot of things going on. Fun jumps for the kids, face painting, and definitely adoptions. Well, today we actually have a couple of dogs here. We have Viva. We have Jeremy from Viva Animal Rescue Group. He actually has Maya. She's one of the first dogs in Viva that were rescued, and we have them, and they'll be at attendance at our event on Saturday. We have Marita from Loving Labs. She has Remington. He's about a 1.5-year-old Labrador, gorgeous as can be, and they'll also be in attendance. And we have Officer Jerry from the Rio Rancho Animal Control, and has a beautiful Australian Shepherd mix with beautiful blue eyes. So definitely come on over and see the different type of animals that they have available for adoption. We are located at 2415 Southern Boulevard in Rio Rancho. Our phone number is 505-994-0101. And our event is this Saturday, August 24th from 10 to 3 at Haynes Park. And we'll be, like I said, collaborating with the City of Rio Rancho with the Pooch Plunge. So we look forward to seeing everybody there.
And for more information about the 2nd anniversary celebration, you can visit petfoodgonewild.com, and all the rest of those details are on your screen.